welcome to Unstoppable Domains. In this video, we're going to review 3 of the core features of blockchain domains. With a blockchain domain, you can replace your cryptocurrency addresses with a human-readable name, launch an uncensorable website, and take part in peer-to-peer decentralized chat. To use your domain for payments, all you need to do is copy your crypto addresses and save them to your domain. You can add over 60 different cryptocurrency addresses to your domain. Once you've added your addresses, go into any supporting wallet, type in your domain, and receive payments. It's that easy. You can also use your domain to launch an IPFS website. In this case, we are browsing through kyber.crypto and myetherwallet.crypto using the Unstoppable extension. This extension makes it easy to surf the decentralized web directly from your Brave browser. You can also launch your own website to IPFS by using one of our templates. And finally, you can use your domain to take part in peer-to-peer encrypted decentralized chat. If you have any questions, you can send us a message through our web chat or join our Telegram community. Thank you, and we look forward to having you join the Unstoppable community.